Most funding applications fail, not because the project is unworthy, because the application does not communicate its value in the language and structure that evaluators are trained to respond to. A brilliant project described poorly loses to an average project described well. This is the uncomfortable truth that most applicants never confront directly, because it is easier to believe the project was rejected than to believe the application was the problem. The evaluator reading your application is not looking for the most exciting project in the pile. They are looking for the application that most clearly demonstrates eligibility, impact, feasibility, and value for money, stated in the specific terms their assessment criteria require. AI helps you understand exactly what evaluators are looking for and write to those criteria with precision. Today, I am sharing the complete system. Welcome to Tech Talk Tech. We upload every single day with fresh AI strategies. Subscribe now and hit the bell so you never miss tomorrow's video. Why most funding applications fail before the system. The honest diagnosis. Most applications fail for 4 specific reasons that have nothing to do with the merit of the project. They do not address the funder's priorities. Every grant program has specific goals, the outcomes the funder is trying to achieve with their money. An application that describes what the applicant wants to do without explicitly connecting it to what the funder wants to achieve is an application. The evaluator cannot score highly regardless of how good the project is. They use the applicant's language rather than the funder's language. Funders publish guidelines, annual reports, strategy documents, and previously funded project summaries. These documents contain the exact vocabulary and framing that the funder values. An application that mirrors this language signals alignment. An application that ignores it signals that the applicant did not do their homework. They make claims without evidence. Evaluators are trained to be skeptical. Every claim in an application about impact, about feasibility, about the applicant's track record needs to be supported by specific evidence. Generic assertions produce low scores. Specific evidence produces high ones. And they are written in one draft. The applications that succeed are almost always the ones that have been through multiple drafts and multiple rounds of critical review. AI makes this iterative process significantly faster and more rigorous than manual revision alone. Stage 1. Funder research and alignment. The most important work in any funding application happens before writing a single word. Give Claude the funder's guidelines, their stated priorities, and any publicly available information about projects they have previously funded. Ask Claude to identify the 3 to 5 outcomes the funder most wants to achieve, the language they use consistently to describe their priorities, and the specific criteria by which applications will be assessed. Ask Claude to evaluate your project honestly against these criteria. Not whether your project is good, whether it aligns with what this specific funder is trying to achieve. If the alignment is weak, either the funder is wrong for this project, or the project needs to be framed differently to surface the genuine connections. This alignment assessment takes 90 minutes and determines whether the application is worth writing before you invest days in writing it. Stage 2. Structuring the application. Most funding applications follow a predictable structure: project description, need or problem statement, objectives, methodology, evaluation, budget, and organization background. The order and weighting vary by funder. The core components are almost universal. Ask Claude to help you build a detailed outline for each section based on the funder's specific assessment criteria. For each section, what the evaluator is looking for, what evidence you have available to support your claims, and what the strongest framing of each element would be given the funder's stated priorities. The outline produced at this stage becomes the architecture of the entire application. A strong outline means every section of the draft serves the assessment criteria rather than simply describing the project. Ask Claude to also identify the sections where your application is currently weakest, where the evidence is thinner, where the connection to funder priorities is less direct, or where a skeptical evaluator would have the most grounds for a low score. These weak sections become your drafting priorities. Stage 3. Writing with precision, with your outline complete. Claude writes each section in sequence. For each section, give Claude the outline points, the evidence you have available, and the funder's language for that priority area. Ask Claude to write a complete draft, making explicit connections to the funder's criteria, using the funder's vocabulary, and supporting every claim with the specific evidence provided. Review every section carefully. Add specific details only you can provide, the particular context of your project, the specific community it serves, the precise outcomes you are committed to achieving. Claude provides structure and language precision. You provide specificity and authentic voice. Ask Claude to read the complete draft and identify any section where a skeptical evaluator could reasonably question a claim or award a lower score. Revise those sections before moving to the next stage. Stage 4. The budget and feasibility section. The budget section is where many otherwise strong applications lose points unnecessarily. Most applicants treat the budget as a financial document rather than a persuasion document. But evaluators are assessing value for money. They are asking whether the outcomes claimed justify the funding requested. A budget that is well evidenced, clearly connected to the project activities, and explicitly justified in terms of the outcomes it produces, scores significantly higher than a budget that is simply accurate. Ask Claude to help you write a budget narrative, a section that explains each budget line, justifies the cost level, and connects each expenditure to a specific project activity and outcome. The budget narrative transforms a spreadsheet into an argument for funding. Stage 5. Review and submission preparation. The final stage is a systematic review that AI makes significantly more thorough than manual proofreading. Give Claude the complete application and ask it to evaluate the draft against the funder's assessment criteria as if it were the evaluator. For each criterion, what score would this section receive and why? What specific changes would improve the score? This produces a prioritized revision list, the changes most likely to improve success rate before the deadline. Ask Claude to also check for consistency across sections. An impact claim in the objectives not reflected in the evaluation section. A methodology detail not appearing in the budget. These inconsistencies erode evaluator confidence even in strong applications. One thorough AI-assisted review before submission is worth more than a dozen rushed manual reads. What funding opportunity have you been preparing to apply for? Drop it in the comments. I personally reply to every comment. If this gave you a complete system for writing funding applications that actually win, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to Tech Talk Tech. We upload every single day. See you tomorrow.